What's up, adventure buddies? In this week's video, we got something a little bit different for you. We don't have any travel tips. We do have a really cool adventure, but what we wanted to do is highlight some rare footage of something we stumbled upon during our recent snorkeling trip in the Maldives. Let's get into it.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So coming out of our overwater bungalow at the Residence Maldives, click the link above if you want more details on that aspect of the trip, we came across our house reef, which was incredible, not just because of the immense of beautiful coral reef, but also because of the animals that we were surrounded with the entire time. Sea turtles, stingrays, sharks, and our particular one that we're gonna get into, the leopard shark. So coming out of the house reef, there was a cliff drop off about 15 to 20 feet where we stumbled upon two leopard sharks that looked pretty dormant and not doing anything. Once we were able to free dive to get a little closer look, we actually saw that the first leopard shark was belly up, where the second one had its mouth engulfing the tail of the first one. Perplexed, we weren't sure what was going on, but we were sure we were gonna stick around to find out. At first, not knowing anything about sharks and what the heck they're doing, we thought maybe the first shark that was belly up was dead. Maybe we thought that this was a mourning period that we were witnessing between two lovers. Who knew? But we felt intrigued enough to stick around to find out. A few minutes go by as we're continuing to peruse the situation. They were uninterested in us swimming around them. A third leopard shark came into the picture, and that leopard shark was just as interested as us. And so as that leopard shark continued to go around the area, we did start to see some movement between the two leopard sharks that we first initially saw. We were there for about 15 to 20 minutes studying this whole situation, really intrigued on what the heck is going on. And the entire time, the leopard shark did not let go of the other one's tail. But finally, you did see some movement on the one that was belly up. Ended up flipping back over, and then the two went off together off on their own. And so we weren't really sure what was going on, so we decided, well, let's head back to our villa, hook up to the internet, and figure out what the heck we just saw. Lo and behold, thanks to Google, we found out that we were actually witnessing the rare mating footage of a leopard shark. There's limited information, limited documentation out there that actually describes the mating process and or mating ritual of leopard sharks. So we felt incredibly honored, so we thought, why not bring it to you guys? And so not sure how the entire process works, but that's what health class is for. But we were really intrigued by witnessing nature at its finest. And so that's one of the really cool things about what we do here at the Adventure Buddies. Not only do we get to have some really fun trips and adventures, but we actually get to do a lot of learning, whether that's learning and being immersive in the culture, learning a lot about the animals that we encounter during many of our trips. And so this was a prime example of something that we will never forget and will take back with. And so if you do happen to live on the West Coast and are interested in maybe checking out the leopard sharks that, remember, are completely harmless, they don't really have the teeth in there that could bite you, and they're completely docile and really cool animals to get up close and personal with, then head down to San Diego at La Jolla Beach. This location has a ton of leopard sharks that you can really get close to and snorkel with and have a really cool time with some of nature's wonders. So I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and if you like this video, please consider giving us that big thumbs up. Comment down below if you'd be brave enough to swim with those sharks. If you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming travel tips or adventures. And so without further ado, remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on?